In this video, I will show you how to fix "we couldn't sign you in" YouTube error. So if you're facing such error, the first thing that I urge you to check is your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure it's stable, or you could try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi connection. After you've done that, make sure that the credentials that you use to sign in are correct email address and correct password. After that, what you can do is simply go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for YouTube. From here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And if your app is already up to date, then click and hold on to YouTube icon. Then go to More Features. Go to App Info. From here, click on Force Stop, then confirm it. Then go to Data Uses. Make sure that Disable Wi-Fi or Disable Mobile Data is not turned on. After that, simply go to Storage Uses. Here you will see Clear Cache written in bright red. Simply click on it. After that, you can try relaunching YouTube and try to sign in again. And if it's still not working, you can simply try opening up Chrome, then searching for YouTube. From here, try to sign in again. And if the web version is also not working, it might be the YouTube server outage. You can simply wait for some time and try again. Or if it's still not working at all, then simply go to Play Store. Search for YouTube. Here you will find the uninstall button. Simply click on it. Then confirm it. Then reinstall your app again. And that's it. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.